Welcome to another session of Understanding Human Anatomy. In this video, I want to talk about the tributaries to the portal vein and where the portal vein goes. So let me start by sketching in a liver. We'll color that in and we'll label it so this is the ultimate destination of the portal vein. Now the portal vein will form from many tributaries, and they're going to be in the same general area as the arteries we were talking about and have similar names for the most part. So over here on the left side of the body we have the inferior mesenteric vein. So there is the inferior mesenteric vein. And the inferior mesenteric vein will be draining into the splenic vein. And let me sketch the splenic vein coming in from the spleen and running across the body. And I'll connect the inferior mesenteric vein with the splenic vein. So the inferior mesenteric vein drains into the splenic vein, and I'll label the splenic vein here. Now, the splenic vein receives the veins draining the structures that the splenic artery supplied, but also receives some others. And in particular, it receives the left gastric vein and the left gastric vein will be coming in to join the splenic like so. So this is left gastric vein. Now we'll have the superior mesenteric vein draining the structure supplied by the superior mesenteric artery. So it will be draining the jejunum, ileum, ascending, and transverse colon. And it comes up and meets the splenic vein. So here we have the superior mesenteric vein. And where the superior mesenteric and splenic veins connect, we have formation of the portal vein. And the portal vein runs over to the liver. Now, the portal vein receives some other veins as well. And one of the ones in particular that it receives is the right gastric vein. The right gastric vein drains directly into the portal vein. So I'll label it. And the other vein that I'm going to show you draining into the liver is the cystic vein. The cystic vein is the vein that drains the gallbladder. Right here. Now, another vein, or actually pair of veins, also drain into the portal vein. And these veins I'm going to put in a different shade of blue to distinguish them. And these are the para-umbilical veins. And the para-umbilical veins run from the portal vein paralleling the round ligament over to the body wall and then down to the umbilicus and out to the surface of the umbilicus. And there's actually a pair of them. I've only drawn one line, but they are right next to each other. And they run through the falciform ligament along with the ligamentum teres to the body wall and then down to the umbilicus. So the para-umbilical veins, also tributaries of the portal vein. So that now the portal vein is bringing blood to the liver. We also have the hepatic artery bringing blood to the liver. So the liver has two blood supplies, the hepatic artery and the portal vein. The hepatic artery is bringing oxygenated blood to the liver to supply the liver cells with oxygen. The portal vein is bringing venous blood, deoxygenated blood, to the liver, but from the digestive tract, from the GI tract. And the portal vein then will be carrying all the materials absorbed by the small intestine into the liver, where the liver can, number one, make use of it and repackage it to send out to other tissues of the body, and to detoxify harmful substances that may be ingested. So the liver needs these two vascular supplies. The portal vein does not carry enough oxygen to oxygenate the liver cells. The hepatic artery supplies that oxygen. Well, those are the tributaries of the portal vein that show how the portal vein forms, and you can see its association with the hepatic artery. In the next video, I will discuss what happens with these two vessels as they enter the liver. Thank you for your attention.